Okay, let's go ahead and set things up. So our first style we need to grab is here in cell I5. So if we go into settings, then configure where we were before under styles, let's add a style based on the active cell here. So pressing OK, this dialog comes back up, except now it's actually inputted all of the unique characteristics of this cell, the key one really being that nice border in blue, and we can even see the preview there. So bolded text with a blue underlined border, that looks just about right. So we can actually just type in our style name. So let's just call it text header and press OK. And now we have a style within the cycle called text header. Awesome. Make sure you press OK to save that change. If you press cancel, it actually won't save your changes. So pressing OK, and the Macabacus just lets us know on all changes in the configurations that you may need to restart your Office applications for the changes to take effect. However, this one doesn't actually apply to a lot of the formatting configurations, so this change will take place right away, but it's just warning us. So now let's switch our active cell to cell I8 here, and let's go through the same process. So this is just a little bit of initial setup really, but once you set this, you can really forget it, and it will save you so much time. So let's add the style based on the active cell, and then same thing, we can see our preview. So we have a number, which would represent the year, and then an A afterwards with a nice blue underline. So we can change that to date actual, because that represents an actual date, some financial figures that have been reported in the past. That's what the A signifies. And now, before we add our next one, we have to press OK just to get on our next active cell, the last one in the cycle, and that would be this cell here. And let's just go back into configure, and under styles, we can go ahead and add the new style based on the active cell. And we can call this one date forecast. And we can see the date would be in front, those numbers with an F afterwards with a double border. So that's a super fast way to add styles to a custom cycle. And we can press OK. And now, if we just press Control-Alt-1 on our keyboards, or if we go up into our format dropdown, we can see our newly set up custom cycle right here. And the custom cycle shortcut is Control-Alt-1. It tells us what it is. And if we just highlight those cells and press Control-Alt-1, boom, there's our first one. If we press it twice, there's our actual date. And if we press it 3 times, there's our forecast dates. So it's super quick to set up by using the active cells, especially. That's the best way to do it if you already have formatted cells. And it's extremely quick to apply. And if we were to set up other custom cycles, the shortcut would be Control-Alt-2 and then Control-Alt-3 and so forth. Thanks a lot for watching. We love this functionality and it will have you modeling so much faster. Enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content? Then hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you over in the next video.